Temu Free Gift Program Explained and how to win the best gifts. If you think you've already seen everything Temu offers, think again, because Temu hides a secret free gift program that most shoppers never notice. It's not just about cheap prices or viral products. It's about hidden bonuses, surprise coupons, and even free gifts waiting to be unlocked with one working code. When I first tested this method, I honestly thought it was another internet myth. But after entering one simple code, FRD210654, I received free shipping on my first order, a 25% discount coupon, and a mystery gift worth about $5. Here's exactly how you can do it too. Step 1. Activate the hidden Temu free gift code. Open the Temu app, go to Rewards or Free Gifts, and type in the code FRD210654. Step 2. Download and sign up on Temu. If you don't already have the app, get it from the Play Store or App Store. Sign up using your email, phone, or Google account. Once your registration is complete, your account links to the Free Gift Center automatically. Step 3. Claim your hidden rewards. Go to Profile, My Rewards or Coupons. Scroll carefully and claim everything: shipping vouchers, product discounts, cashback, or free items. Step 4. Shop and watch discounts. Now browse Temu like normal. Add a few items: clothes, tools, gadgets, or decor. Step 5. Check out and confirm your gift. Before tapping Place Order, check that all coupons are active. If any look missing, simply re-enter FRD210654 to refresh your offers. Once you confirm your order, your free gift is officially on its way. Bonus tip: keep checking the Free Gift Center. Temu updates its Free Gift Center every week, so new rewards appear regularly. No hacks, no scams, just official Temu bonuses you didn't know existed. Happy shopping!